Hello friends, welcome to my channel all about quality. In this video we are going to learn 7 QC tools. The fourth number of tool is a cause and effect diagram, which is used for identifying the various causes of the problem and find out the linkage between primary and secondary causes and all. Okay, let's study the cause and effect diagram. Cause and effect diagram. I have shown here one example of cause and effect diagram. The effect or a problem is stated on the right side of the diagram and the influences or causes are listed on the left side of the diagram. This is the effect which is written on the right side of the diagram, and this is the causes which are written on the left side of the diagram. Okay, the cause and effect diagram is also called a fish and bone diagram since it look like a skeleton of a fish. Okay, this is the look like a fish. This is a skeleton of a fish. How it is done? Decide which quality problem or outcome or effect you want to examine. This is the effect you want to examine. First we have to decide. Then backbone. This is the backbone, which is also known as straight line. Here I have drawn. Then ribs. This is the major causes. This is the ribs are a major causes. There are 4 ribs written here. Then medium size bone or a secondary causes. This is the medium size bone, also known as a secondary causes. Then this is a small bones, which is also called as a root causes. Cause and effect diagram. First step of cause and effect diagram, we have to do the brainstorming. So let's start the brainstorming. So for brainstorming, we have to create a team which should be come with creative ideas from that team. Ideas may be causes or solution. Then it is a structured way to identify the causes. Think about the relationship that which help to solve the problem. Then brainstorming should be done in an effective way. So how to do the brainstorming effective? We have to list down this one. Okay, first write down what is to be done in a brainstorming. Then ask people to think individually. Then collect as much as ideas as possible. Focus on Our focus should be on the quality of idea. Then all ideas are welcome. None should be excluded in the beginning. Then no discussion on ideas. Do not criticize or judge any idea. Each one call out with the idea and facilitator record them on a board. So facilitator should record all the ideas which are given by the team. There should be no discussion on the idea. We don't have to criticize or judge any idea. Then people can build new ideas based on the another ideas. Steps for cause and effect diagram. Let's study what are the steps we have to do in a cause and effect diagram. This is the diagram cause and effect for dimensional variation. Okay, the first step is to list all the causes that have been suggested by the team members in the brainstorming, like poor operator skill, wrong inspection method, wrong spindle speed, wrong setting and the job of locator, improper material storage, improper wrapped shape of raw material. Then connect the sub causes to the main causes, and the main causes should be connected to the effect. So this is the sub causes connected with the main causes, and this main cause is connected with the effect. Okay, this is the effect. Then assign an importance to each factors and make the important factor which seem to have significant effect. Like sometimes we have seen that poor operator skill is a significant factor for dimensional variation, so we have to mark this as important factor and for significant effect. Okay, draw the diagram and look for the root causes. Like if it is a poor operator skill is a significant factor, then insufficient training may be the root cause, or sometimes a wrong spindle speed may be the significant factor, then wrong feed could be the root cause for dimensional variation. Like that way we have to do the cause and effect diagram. Cause and effect diagram example. Let's start with some example. So specification of a machining parameter is a 50 mm plus minus 0.05 mm. Okay, this is the round bar whose dimension is 50 mm. So we have to draw a cause and effect diagram for this round bar. So what is an effect? Effect is a dimensional variation. Dimensional variation in a round bar. Suppose we have to do the dimensional variation effect. Then what are the causes? There are operator causes, machine causes, material causes, or method causes. There are the four major causes. Okay, and in an operator we can go skill, health of operator, the spirit of operator. These are the secondary causes, and fatigue, illness, education, training, experience, these are the main root causes. So, for any dimensional variation, if there is operator significant effect aspect, then there will be some root causes like education, training, or concentration of operator. Then alternatives like some operator changes from shift 1 to shift 2. These are the root causes. I hope you have understood what I'm saying in this example. Then second, benefits. What are the benefits of cause and effect diagram? It can be used in a product and a services. Then it complements the brainstorming process. Like as in a brainstorming process, we have to list down all the suggestions from team. These complement the brainstorming process. Then it provides the targeted information, then promote the teamwork. As I know, as I said that in a brainstorming we have to prepare one team, and after that we do the brainstorming. Identify the potential problem areas. By using cause and effect diagram, we have to find out the potential problems in these areas. Then categorize the causes of variation. It can cause, there may be many variations, and we have to find out the it categorize the causes. Okay, it makes improvement easier. Then first is the problem identification, then comes brainstorming, then comes cause and effect diagram, then comes why analysis on that cause, then the real root cause of a problem. This is all about cause and effect diagram. I hope you have understood the cause and effect diagram very well. Thank you for watching my videos. Kindly subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Bye.